A blessed day, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And we have a new topic this year, 2021. So let's go, guys, and let us explore and learn this new lesson. Let's go. Our lesson for today is about basic concepts of database. Before we could learn what is database, we should know first what is data, which is an essential part of a database. Let us have an example on data about yourself. You must have your name, age, address, height, and weight. And these are some of the data about yourself. Let us have another example, and this time, data about a laptop. The laptop must have a brand, price, model, processor, and storage size. These are the essential data that's part of a database. Data have different formats. We have text format, number format, picture format, audio format, and the video format that could be stored in the database. Now we are ready to know what is database. A database is an organized collection of data generally stored and accessed electronically from a computer system. Database is an organized collection of data. How? Let's say, for example, in the enrollment process. There must be a school or university. The university offered courses, have professors, students, and the professors handled courses, teach students, and the students should be enrolled in the offered courses of the university. All this collection of data must be organized and stored in the database. Stored electronically in computer system? How? In our example of enrollment process, the student must use computer for online or on-site registration for enrollment, and it will be sent to the chosen university, and the information will now be stored in the university's database. Electronic records in computer system. How? Let's say, for example, a student records. There will be an organized table for student records. And the table fields could have student ID, student first name, student last name, class ID, class name, instructor ID, and others. This electronic record will now be stored in the database. Now it's time for us to know what is Database Management System, or DBMS. A database management system or DBMS is a software package designed to define, manipulate, retrieve, and manage data in a database. Still don't understand DBMS? In DBMS, we could insert data, delete data, update data, and manage data. And these are our access control to manipulate data inside the database. How to access the database? Is there a process flow? Yes, of course. There must have a user, DBMS interface, and the database itself. The user communicates to the DBMS interface for the efficient and faster way of fulfilling her or his requirement. And DBMS handle different programs to insert, delete, update, and query database for information. And the information will now be stored to the database. What do we learn from this lesson? We learned what is the use of database. We learned what is the use of DBMS. I hope you learned from my lesson some of the basic concepts of a database. Thank you so much. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. So please like and subscribe my channel, and hope to see you in my next video lesson. Thank you so much.